how to fix iMessage not working on your iPhone. So to fix, if your iMessage is actually not working on your iPhone, what we're going to do is, first of all, we're going to open up settings and we want to scroll down and go to the option called apps, and from under the app section we want to simply search for the messages app and select it. From the messages app, the first thing you have to ensure is that iMessage is currently enabled, and make sure to choose this send and receive. So you could choose to send and receive from your email, from primary phone number, or using your cellular data. So whatever is comfortable for you, see which one works for you. I will just recommend you select and leave it at the email version. You also want to check if your internet is working fine, because iMessage works online as an online message. So if you're not connected to the internet, as a result you will not be able to send an iMessage. Now another thing that you can do is make sure that you're sending an iMessage to an iPhone user, because iMessage does not work when you're trying to send it to an Android user. If none of these help, then a simple fix that I would recommend you is, once you come back to settings, go to general, and you can scroll down and tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset, and tap on reset all settings. So when you select reset all settings, that should be able to help you to reset all the settings and see if that helps you solve the problem in the process. So I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.